Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss the remaining lesson of Bipin Chowdhury's failure of memory. Yesterday we have talked that one of the servant came to Bipin Babu and told him that Chuni Babu wanted to see him. At first Bipin Babu refused to meet Chuni Babu, but after he hurried down the stairs, Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Chunilal had been at school with him. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him and in fact told him so. But Chuni kept turning up like a bad penny. Turning up like a bad penny. This is a phrase. What is the meaning of this phrase? It means appearing at a place where one is not welcome. Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chuni now, but not in several weeks. But as soon as servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chuni might remember something about the 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. फिर बिपिन बाबू सोच रहे हैं कि 1958 की रांची ट्रिप के बारे में अगर मैं चुनीलाल से पूछूंगा तो शायद मुझे कुछ पता चल सकता है एंड उसे पूछने में कोई भी नुकसान नहीं है. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chuni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. फिर चुनीलाल जैसे कि जाने ही वाले थे, बट अचानक से वो दूर से देख रहे हैं कि बिपिन बाबू आ रहे हैं, देन वो बैठ जाते हैं. बिपिन बाबू didn't beat about the bush. Listen, Chuni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? Now, जो बिपिन बाबू है वो डायरेक्टली विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन ही सडनली आस्क चुनी दैट क्या मैं 1958 में रांची में गया था कि नहीं, तुम मुझे याद करके बताओ. चुनी सेड 58? इट मस्ट हैव बीन 58 और वॉज इट 59? नाउ जो चुनीलाल है वो बिपिन बाबू से पूछ रहे हैं क्या तुम 58 ही की बात कर रहे हो या 59 की बात कर रहे हो. यू आर श्योर दैट आई डिड गो टू रांची? चुनीज लुक ऑफ अमेजमेंट वॉज नॉट अनमिक्सड विथ वरी. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Chuni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. Now Chunilal confirmed the facts in such a manner that it struck him like a hammer. Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chuni's incredulous stare. Do you remember what my last job was? asked चुनीलाल. अब चुनीलाल है वो बिपिन से पूछ रहे क्या तुम्हें याद है कि मेरी लास्ट जॉब कौन सी थी? ऑफ कोर्स यू वर्क इन अ ट्रैवल एजेंसी. तो इसका आंसर देते हुए जो बिपिन बाबू है वो क्लियरली बता रहे हैं हाँ तुम एक ट्रैवल एजेंसी में इससे पहले काम करते थे. You remember that you don't remember that it went to the station to see you if one of the fans in your compartment was not working. I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well, you know. Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. I have been working too hard, he said at last. That must be the reason. Must see about consulting a specialist. Now Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head. He decided to visit a specialist. Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunilal leave without mentioning anything about a job. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms. Look, Dr. Chanda, said Bipin Babu desperately. You must cure me of this horrible illness. I can't tell you how it's affecting my work. एंड जो डॉक्टर है डॉक्टर चंदा उनसे जाके बिपिन बाबू डिस्पैरेटली क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपको मेरी ये इलनेस मेरी ये बीमारी ठीक करनी ही पड़ेगी, मेरी भयंकर बीमारी ठीक करनी पड़ेगी. आई कांट टेल यू हाउ इट्स अफेक्टिंग माई वर्क. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि ये मेरे वर्क पे कितना अफेक्ट कर रही है. डॉक्टर चंदा शुक हिज हेड. यू नो व्हाट मिस्टर चौधरी, ही सेड. I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field or experience. But I have one suggestion. I don't know if it will work, but it's worth a try. It can do no harm. And after listening to his problem, Dr. Chanda said that he must have been to Ranchi, but due to some reason, the entire incident had slipped out of his mind. Now, this is much for today. Remaining part of this lesson we will discuss in our next session. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.